Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we always talk about the inconsistencies within Windows. And there's a lot of people that um, actually it annoys them that there are so many different things in different menus and the settings app, for example, and on the same font and not the same behavior. One such example here is, for example, if you right click and go to the properties menu, you might have noticed that the properties menu is not following the dark mode if you are in dark mode. So Microsoft is about to fix that. In one of the latest insider builds, we've started seeing that the properties is now following the behavior of the system. So this is pretty good. This is nice. It also changes the way that it looks, and we're going to try to probably modernize it so it is more Windows 11-ish like. Because right now we have the impression of being in Windows XP pretty much, and if not Windows 95. So that's coming. It's being modernized, and it is going to now follow the um, the system dark mode if you're in dark mode. So that's, of course, some of the features coming up as they are ready. Like I said, it's not a 26H2 thing. It's a when it's ready, it's going to go get out and it's going to be applied to the system. So right now it's tested in the insider rings. So at some point in time, we'll have that on our PCs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.